Hey guys, today I'm going to review this portable cooker, mainly because I couldn't find a decent review on Amazon and I was a bit scared to purchase. So hopefully this helps you decide whether to purchase this or whether to use it in your home or when you're out and about camping. So this is the product. Now, forgive me for my pronunciation. So this is the Iwatani TATSUJIN Slim number 3. I probably butchered that, but yes, it is Japanese. So I first thought, actually, that's going to be great. Hopefully it's made better. And the other thing I totally loved about it is that it was gold because, you know, it looks really pretty. So let's open it up and I'll chat about it. The entire box is not in English. It is all in Japanese. So it can be quite overwhelming looking at it, not really knowing what to do. Oops, okay. It comes with a booklet on how to use it, and it is not in English. And then there's recipes, which look wonderful, also not in English. All right, so this is the cooker. It is so cute. It's actually quite light, but feels still really good quality. So in here, you have your off button. So this is off. And then down here is very high, and then obviously you can, once you turn it on, you can change your heat settings just by moving this up and down. We have a really beautiful cooker in the middle here with very nice feeling prongs, and you can take the whole thing off and I guess look at it if you want to. I'm not really sure what you do in there. Okay, so that's that. And what you do need, and it doesn't come with, is a gas canister. Now they suggest on this packaging that you use their brand, but I guess we're in Australia. I've never seen that brand before. You might be able to buy it on Amazon. We just got ours from Kmart, and I think we got a pack of 3 for really, really cheap. So they work perfectly fine. We have also cooked with this yesterday, and it was absolutely fantastic. In the past, we had bought an induction cooktop that actually plugs in, like an electric one, and although it worked really well, it just didn't, it was too loud. It was way too loud, and we're going to use it for YouTube videos, so we just couldn't keep using it. Whereas this is so portable and wonderful. It's light, and I think it's a really good price. It was $101 Australian on Amazon. I'll link it below as well if you do want to grab one. But yeah, it's a really, really good brand. Okay, so you open it up and the gas canister goes in here. Now, something really important to note is it must be in this off position so you can load your canister. So let's load the canister. Okay, so that kind of clicks in, close it up, and then I won't turn it on, but you will light a match, turn it, and then the gas starts coming out. So it's really easy. I'll just show you how to pull out the canister as well. It's just pull it out straight and done. So this is the Iwatani Slim number 3. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous, it's portable, and I think, you know, I definitely think it's worth a purchase.